Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make your Elementor website faster. A speedy website significantly improves user experience and search engine rankings. We will cover 4 key areas to boost your site's performance, ensuring visitors enjoy a seamless browsing experience. By implementing these strategies, you can achieve noticeable improvements in loading times and overall site responsiveness, making your online presence more effective and engaging for everyone. Optimizing your images is one of the most impactful steps you can take. Large image files are often the biggest culprits for slow loading times. Aim to compress images by at least 20 to 50% without losing quality. Using modern formats like WebP can reduce file sizes even further, sometimes by 30% or more. Lazy loading ensures that images only load when they enter the user's viewport, saving valuable bandwidth and speeding up initial page loads. Caching is essential for delivering content rapidly to your visitors. A good caching plugin stores static versions of your pages, so the server doesn't have to generate them from scratch every time. Minifying your code removes unnecessary characters, reducing file sizes by 10 to 20%. Enabling gzip compression can further shrink your website's files by up to 70% before they are sent to the user's browser, significantly improving download speeds. Your hosting provider forms the foundation of your website speed. Opt for managed WordPress hosting or a virtual private server for better resources. A content delivery network, or CDN, distributes your website's content across multiple servers worldwide, delivering it faster to users based on their geographic location. Finally, be mindful of your theme and plugin choices. Fewer, well-coded plugins mean less code to load and process, contributing to a much faster Elementor site.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.